hope is being able to see that there is a light despite all of the darkness. And once you see hope, anything is possible. So let's create the magic with makeup by using shades of green, shades of hope. So start with clean exfoliated face, and the first step, I'm using Makeup Forever Skin Booster Serum, which is rich in hyaluronic acid. It really hydrates my skin and give a very plumped appearance. And now it's time to prep the eye. So today I'm going to be using Lancome Visionnaire eye cream. I've been using this from a couple of weeks now just before makeup application, and have really seen a difference. My concealer goes on really smoothly. So now my face is ready for the makeup. I am already done with my one eye, and I did the base like how I always do it. You can just see in my previous videos. And right now I'm just working on my waterline using Kohl side of Huda Beauty Lifeliner. Using Dirty Martini by Geek and using a very small flat brush to pack on the color on my outer corner as well as on the inner corner. This particular brush is by Sephora. I'll just write down the name. For my transition shade, I've used MAC Dark Tan Bronzer like how I always use it on all of my makeup tutorials. I have extended my green shadow towards the corner of my eyebrow just to create a cat eye effect, and right now I'm just creating a semicircle by using the same green shadow. Now I've taken a clean brush and just blending the color. I've taken a pillowy space with a flat synthetic brush and just putting the color on the center of my eyelid to have a spotlight effect. So now another shade from Geek. This shade is called Ritzy, and I'll be packing this color on the center of my eye. Guys, the eye look doesn't look very appealing at this stage, but always trust the process. And now it's time to add some sparkle. So this one is from P. Louise. It's called Icy, and I'm just using a very soft fluffy brush to pack on some pigment on my eye to have a very 3D kind of effect. I'm really obsessed with these lashes, and I'll be using the lash adhesive from the same brand called Velour Lash. So using this for the color correction, and then I'll jump on concealer, and guys, I'll do my foundation and contour off camera like how I always do it. So you can just watch my previous videos to see how I really do the base. Adding some color to the cheek. So one is Sincerely, the other one is Peaches, and they both are by MAC Cosmetics. And now comes the boss. This really changes and enhances the entire eye look. Just using the green holographic shade from the same palette, and now I won't say anything, you will see. Using Huda Beauty 3D highlighter in Golden Sands to add some glow to my cheeks. Now using my all-time favorite lip contour in Spice Girl. And for my lips, I'm using Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick in Day Slayer. I really love the formula of her Demi Matte lipsticks, and when she launched this, I literally bought all the shades, guys. All the shades. Hope you guys like this look, and let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.